Yeah, good day everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Isaac, and in today's video I want to give you some little shout outs. Yeah, shout out to everyone that's been watching my YouTube channel to this point. I know it has been a lot of times. I have not been on this page for a long while, but so I'm here again to make a video to make like to do like a special shout out to everybody that's watched my video. And yeah, this is the video I will be making, like the first episode of what I'm planning, which is something that is massive. So I believe you might want to watch this video to the end and subscribe for more videos like this, because mostly after this first video, which I'm making right now, I'll be making some more episode videos. So I'll be posting about AI, posting about tech, posting about coding, posting about vibe coding, posting about coding with an AI tools, and so many other benefits you enjoy on the same channel. So I will employ you to subscribe for more videos like this, because I have this is right. This is the time I have for us to be able to learn how to write code, and this is the best time for us to learn how to write code too. Because most time as a beginner, it's always good to be able to like learn how to use some basic tools, some basic functionalities of a programming language, and being able to build something that is real life with those programming languages too. So that is part of what this channel is all about. So I will want you, I will employ you to subscribe for more videos like this, because I'll be posting more and more awesome videos like this, posting tech related video, posting coding related video, posting AI related videos and stuff like that. So thank you for watching to this point, and kindly subscribe for more videos like this, because I'll be coming in with some massive tools, some massive tutorials on how you could be able to clone some popular softwares that is mostly used now, and to do some how to do videos, so to say. So thank you so much for watching to this point, and I really want you to stay tuned and turn on that notification bell, so when I post videos, you can be notified that you have a new videos coming from Digital Media.